Hi, we're going to be making an app using Xcode, and we're going to be making a really nice launch screen. And we won't be actually making the buttons work yet, so if you click them, it won't do anything. So we're just going to be making a nice launch screen when you install the app. Okay, first of all, let's put the logo here. So you normally have a so once you've designed your logo or any image, you can drag it to this assets thing, and then once you're there, you'll be able to use it. So if I go Command Shift L, which is a very important tool because you will be needing it a lot, and then we go to this images thing. I'm going to drag this here. It's huge, but I can adjust it. Let's narrow it down. Okay, that looks maybe a little bit higher, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, let's leave it there. It's hard to get it perfect, so you can use the, they're called constraint, but we won't be doing that in this video. So now we're going to add buttons. So go here, drag button, and then we're going to type maybe sign in with Facebook. And let's drag it to the center. Okay, and it looks like a pretty boring button. It's just like blue and it doesn't look professional. So maybe you have an image that's maybe like a Google button that you put in your assets. If you click background, then you'll be able, then you can find the image. So I've got it here, and you can't really see the text that says sign in with Facebook, so it doesn't look the best. So go here, text color, group table view background color. Okay, so that's the first button. And you can always like organize it to put it in better places. Because sometimes if it's too high if it's too close to the logo, it kind of looks yeah. So let's put a second one here, and it's going to be sign in with Google. And we're going to change that into Google. Then we're going to do one last button. Which is sign in with email. And Code with Chris, which is a YouTuber, he gave me these buttons. So make sure to visit his YouTube channel. I'll put that in the description below. Background and email. And remember to always keep the layout the same, because if one button's closer to one thing than the other, it doesn't look, it just doesn't look professional. Okay, so once you're happy with this, you don't have to do exactly like this. Once you've switched around and kind of got the hang of it, then you should be good to move on to the next step. Our next video will be showing what the buttons do, and clicking a button will be like type your email address, blah 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 blah. The next video will be posted tomorrow. I hope you found this helpful, and good luck with your app. Bye!